Welcome back to Quiz Wizard. Today, we've got something wild. 30 of the hardest would you rather questions ever. Get ready to challenge your brain, test your heart. Would you rather always be 1 hour early to everything or always be 1 hour late? Would you rather never wait in line again or never get stuck in traffic ever again? Would you rather watch a movie of your best past moments or see one key scene from your future? Would you rather be half your height or twice your weight? Would you rather know how you die or know the exact date it happens? Would you rather live forever with your parents or marry a stranger you can never divorce? Would you rather be poor but in love or rich but never experience love? Would you rather be completely bald or covered with hair all over your body? Would you rather always know when someone's lying or be able to lie without anyone finding out? Would you rather end racism or end sexism? Would you rather wear your sweaty clothes again or use a toothbrush someone else used? Would you rather sing everything you say or read everything out loud? Would you rather travel the world but never go home or stay home forever and never travel? Would you rather have a short, passionate romance or a long, boring relationship? Would you rather celebrate your birthday every day or never celebrate it again? Would you rather lose your phone or lose your keys? Would you rather have more time or more money? Would you rather wear wet socks forever or clothes that always smell bad? Would you rather be reincarnated as a dog or as a cat? Would you rather live in your dream house in a dangerous area or an ugly house in a perfect neighborhood? Would you rather be amazing at something you hate or terrible at something you love? Would you rather never see your face again or see it but always find it ugly? Would you rather wear shoes 2 sizes too big or 2 sizes too small? Would you rather have 3 legs or 4 arms? Would you rather have a baby tomorrow or only have one at 65? Would you rather eat a rotten egg or drink spoiled milk? Would you rather win $100,000 now or $1 million in 10 years? Would you rather look 10 years old forever or 70 years old forever? Would you rather say everything on your mind or never speak again? Would you rather brush your teeth with vinegar toothpaste or use sandpaper as toilet paper?
Comment your answers below and challenge your friends to play too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic quiz wizard challenges.